and welcome back to this course on the 4S framework, a new and innovative business process management system that was created by artificial intelligence. In this course, you'll learn what the 4S framework is, how it works, and how you can apply it to your own business or organization. In the previous lecture, we explained the third stage of the 4S framework, Streamline. We showed you how to implement your strategies and tactics, optimize your processes and operations, and monitor and measure your performance and results. We also showed you an example of how we applied Streamline to our own business, an AI consultancy that provides AI algorithms based on any logical concept. In this lecture, we'll explain the fourth and final stage of the 4S framework, Sustain. We'll show you how to evaluate your outcomes and impacts, review your feedback and learning, and improve your processes and policies. Sustain is the stage where you assess your achievements and challenges, learn from your experiences and mistakes, and adjust your plan and actions accordingly. This stage is vital because it helps you maintain your success and growth and adapt to changes and uncertainties. It also helps you foster a culture of continuous improvement. To do Sustain effectively, you need to use various tools and techniques that can help you collect and analyze feedback and data, identify and implement improvements, and communicate and celebrate your results. Some of the tools and techniques that you can use are PDCA cycle. This is a tool that helps you to follow a four-step process of continuous improvement. Plan, do, check, or act. You can also use a cycle diagram to visualize the four steps and their interconnections. You can then use these steps to plan your actions, execute your actions, monitor your results, and adjust your actions. Kaizen. This is a tool that helps you to implement small but consistent improvements in your processes and operations. You can use a philosophy that follows 5 principles: teamwork, personal discipline, improved morale, quality circles, and suggestions for improvement. You can then use these principles to involve your team members, follow best practices, enhance motivation, solve problems, and generate ideas. Balance scorecard. This is a tool that helps you to communicate and celebrate your results across 4 perspectives: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. You can use a dashboard that displays your objectives, indicators, targets, and initiatives for each perspective. You can then use this dashboard to share your achievements, challenges, learnings, and actions with your stakeholders. These are just some of the examples of the tools and techniques that you can use to do Sustain effectively. There are many other tools and techniques that you can use depending on your needs and preferences. The important thing is to choose ones that are relevant and appropriate for your business situation. To help you understand how to use these tools and techniques, we'll show you an example of how we applied them to our own business. Our business is an AI consultancy that provides AI algorithms based on any logical concept. We used PDCA cycle, Kaizen, and balance scorecard to do Sustain for our business. Here are our findings. PDCA cycle. We use the 4-step process of continuous improvement to assess our achievements and challenges. We learn from our experiences and our mistakes, and we adjust our plan and actions accordingly. Plan. We planned our actions based on our goals and objectives that we set in the Strategize stage. We also planned on how to measure our performance using KPIs that we defined in the Streamline stage. Do. We executed our actions based on our strategies and tactics that we designed in the Strategize phase. We also executed our processes and operations based on our solutions and improvements that we implemented in the Streamline stage. Check. We monitored our results using the data that we collected using KPIs in the Streamline stage. We also monitor our feedback using the data that we collected from our customers, staff, and stakeholders. Act. We adjusted our actions based on our results and our feedback. We also adjusted our plan of action and our learning and based off of our learning and our insights. Kaizen. We implemented small but consistent improvements in our processes and operations using the 5 principles of Kaizen. Teamwork. We involved our team members in every stage of the 4S framework. We encouraged collaboration, communication, and coordination among our team members. Personal discipline. We followed best practices and standards in every stage of the 4S framework. We ensured compliance, quality, and reliability in our services. Improved morale. We enhanced motivation and satisfaction among our team members in every stage of the 4S framework. We provided recognition, reward, and feedback to our team members. Quality circles. We solved problems and issues in our processes and operations using quality circles. We formed small groups of team members who met regularly to identify, analyze, and resolve problems using various tools and techniques. Suggestions for improvement. We generated ideas and suggestions for improvement in our processes and operations using various tools and techniques. We encouraged creativity, innovation, and experimentation among our team members. Balanced scorecard. We communicated and celebrated our results across 4 perspectives, using a dashboard that displayed our objectives, indicators, targets, and initiatives for each perspective. Financial. We shared our financial results such as revenue, profit margin, cash flow, and return on investment with our stakeholders. We celebrated our achievements such as increasing our revenue by 50% in the next year. We also acknowledged our challenges such as reducing our cost structure or increasing our profit margin. Customer. We shared our customer results such as our error rates, our customer satisfaction rate, our customer retention rate, our customer loyalty rate with our stakeholders. We celebrated our achievements such as improving our error rate and also acknowledged our challenges such as attracting new customers or enhancing customer value. Internal processes. We shared our internal process results such as service quality, delivery speed, innovation capability, and operational efficiency with our stakeholders. We celebrated our achievements such as launching 2 new services in the next year. We also acknowledge our challenges such as improving our service quality or our delivery speed. Learning and growth. We shared our learning and growth results such as team skills, knowledge, motivation, and culture with our stakeholders. We celebrated our achievements, such as our goal to develop a prototype of a robot in the next year. We also acknowledged our challenges, such as developing our team skills and our knowledge. As you can see, we use these tools and techniques to collect and analyze feedback and data, identify and implement improvements, and communicate and celebrate our results. We were able to evaluate our outcomes and our impacts, review our feedback and learning, and improve our practices and policies. We hope this example helps you understand how to sustain effectively for your own business organization. This concludes the 4S framework, a new and innovative business process management system that was created by an artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching this lecture. See you soon.